Oh, well, it's a good little run, TikTok. Da-da-da-da-da. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, Twitter, X, and soon to be Facebook Live, Lord willing. Da-da-da-da-da. Good morning, good morning. We had our first call out in our Hydra 7.0, the first time signal. Oh, brother. We got to go look. Look at this signal. 30-minute 1 week. Oh, I love this signal. I think we already made money on it. All right, where are we at? We need to get into YouTube. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, everybody on TikTok as you trickle in. US 30 made money. I wonder why it doesn't take the name sometimes. It's kind of weird. Training. Today's the 18th. Happy Saturday morning. It's cold and rainy, but I guess it could be cold and snowy. So we're going to go with that as a good thing. Triple G in the morning. Streaming outside of Atlanta-ish. And happy Saturday morning. Let's all have a great weekend. Make great memories with those that we love. I plan on spending a whole bunch of time with my beautiful wife today. Bree is utterly fantastic. All right, I think we're set up. Now, are we live on both? That is the question. I don't see any comments. Let's see, chat. Let's see here. Good morning, Kevin Alderman on TikTok. Let's see. Good morning. Can't even see my people over here. Good morning, Jacob. What's up, Jacob? Good morning. Thank you again for everything you do for us. Good morning, D-Nice. Good morning, Martar and Bandit Trader. No sleep till Brooklyn. I swear you don't sleep. What's up, Rocket? Yeah, I get anywhere from about 3 hours of sleep to about 6 if I'm blessed. So about 3 to 5 hours of sleep. Keith, what the hell, Keith? What are you doing up so early? Keith Palmer's in the house. Good morning, Keith. How'd that potato soup go? Did it bring you any luck? Good morning, Brandon Harris. Keith, you want to talk now? Keith said wasn't going to be up. What the hell is Keith up for? Now, that man actually does sleep. Why are you up? Oh, my. Keith Aruni, I can't believe it. Well, good morning to everybody. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on Twitch, X, and YouTube. Good morning and buy the damn system. I agree with Kev Alderman. Keith, we had our first signal go out, Keith. Let's check it out. We had our first signal go out of this room. If I was going to trade any signal in the history of the world that was ever created since mankind with no exaggeration at all, it would be this Hydra. Look, it's underneath this category. Demo market order entries. Just hit the damn button when the signal comes up. This is a signal. Hydra 7 monthly, weekly, daily, 30-minute first time demo signal. This signal, when it comes up, boy, and by the way, I'm in this trade, by the way. It was so good. She loved it. Yay, Keith. It looks so good too. Damn, Keith is a cook. That man is like a master coder and a master cooker. What do you call that? Chef, a cooker. That's awesome, Keith. All right. Keith, the signal, let's check it, buddy. But I can already tell you this is a win, motherfucking win. When this signal comes out, take every demo trade you possibly can because I'm telling you, this signal is huge. Always. Um, good morning, blessings and prayers. Thank you, God, Kevin. What's up here, Piggy Piggy? What's up, Martar? No, it shows up if you have tier 3 signals, Martar. It's absolutely on your chart. Yes, sir. Abso-freaking-lutely. Good morning, Fletch. Keith. So Keith can not only make fantastic potato soup that I haven't tried yet, but he can code like a motherfucker. I see I need to fix that signal. It says WMD instead of, you know what I'm saying? That's too funny with Keith. Watch. We talked about it. MW of weapons of mass destructions. WMD, MWD. Any rate, we were talking about getting around. That's why it says that. But look at this. This is watch this trade. I respond here, but give me just a second. Give me just a second, guys. Good morning, everybody. Again, sorry, I'm a little busy here. Give me just a second. Give me just a second, peeps.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I'm still here. Still here. Okay. All right. All right. Somebody once told me life is gonna roll me. All right, where's everybody at? March, boys, everybody's talking. What's up, Henry? Good morning. Sorry, I'm busy doing things here. More important things than this, guys. I have a life, believe it or not. What's up, Brandon? It was so good. She loved it. What's up, Fletch? Martha, would signals be shown on charts? Yes, it's shown in your charts. Good morning. Blessings and prayers. Thank you, God. What's up here, Piggy? I see I need to fix this WMD. Yeah, Martar. It's a good time to ask, or should I email you a question, as I do have tier 3, but I do not see it. Yeah, absolutely. Keith, can you pull up the signals and see if this signal did not go out to tier 3? It absolutely had to go out to tier 3. Use the same exact system, unless it's screwed up some settings. There is more signals on Discord than on charts. I asked around on Discord, but no one responds to bother you. But this now. Good morning, Henry. Morning, Tracy Ann Davis. So this signal here isn't on your charts. help the people. We can talk later. Ah, jeez. How about 9? Here, I'm going to send this to Keith. Hey, Keith Rooney, this signal Martar is saying isn't on their charts, tier 3. Can you check that for me and let me know while I'm on the live here? And if 9 o'clock's cool, I'll kill it at 9. I thank you. Hey, Keith Rooney. Somebody once told me. All right. No, these signals should be exact. You have the exact same indicators as I do to create these. This signal is what we're going to go over today. I'm on Oanda US3. Nope, that's the correct one. Looks like even more signals than before, which crypto signals are loaded. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Oh, there's a lot, but I don't think you guys get the crypto signals. That's for an upcoming release. It's going to be loaded with it's going to be loaded with like 50 different signals. I see it on the chart, says Keith. Interesting. Well, let's go over to US 30. Let's go over to here. Let me go over to here and flip on the weapons of mass destruction and see what it's calling out. Nope, nothing here. Somebody once told me the no. 1 week buy. Oh, it's right here. Interesting. Why isn't it showing on the trade tracker that it matters? Yeah, this is it. What day and time was this? Hold on. Let me mark this. Somebody once told me life is about to roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. All right, this time is January 17th, 5:30. Nope, I don't think that's the same signal. This is January 16 and 1930. This is a much better entry. This is a much better entry. This is a perfect entry with 0 drawdown. What time is your and US 30? That's the one he's using. Okay, so maybe I have something set. I don't know. Keith, here, can I call you Keith? Hold on. We're getting nowhere here fast. Keith Rooney. Da. Keith Rooney. I'm calling him. Poor Keith. He never gets up early. Buy stop US 30, fill in the gap, by the way. Keith Rooney. Good morning, Henry. Good morning, BCM. Good morning, Kev. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Look, Keith ain't answering. He's like, fuck you, it's too early. Keith, I've been up since 5:30 in the morning. Fine. Now I see the trade call, Martar. Do you have this trade call, Martar? What signal that was? It nailed it. Correct. It did nail it. Yeah. Poor Keith. Because I'm not talking to you. I'm still in bed. But yeah, Martar, is this the signal you see on yours right here? Look. This is exactly what you should see. Now, why is it a little off than what we have? I don't know. Somebody once told me I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed. Yeah, it was a correct signal. So whichever signal that was called, it's basically the same results. This particular case, there was 0 drawdown, and it went from here-ish to here. It went up 400. It went up 450 pips. No, I'm on US 30 Oanda and I don't have it. Okay, let me go back over to Oanda. Let me see which US 30 this is. I think this is my US 30 Oanda. Where's Oanda at? US 30. Where the fuck? Awanda. Yep, that's my green one. Yep, that's it. All right, let's see. Yep, nope, it's still there. Shit, how do you not have that signal, Martar? January 17th. Oh, there it is. There it is. 155 pips, 451 pips up. Oh my God, there it is, Keith. Keith, you're too fucking good. Keith, you're too fucking good. Keith, you're too fucking good. Not only did it call it, it's tracking it. Not only did it call it, we'll have to check and see that the right version's out, but it's tracking it. Oh my gosh. That is fucking incredible. I don't know if Keith's still listening, but that, Keith, damn. Wow. That is incredible. That is fucking incredible. Why does it Martar have Martar? Does yours say TSTS Hydra 7 MW30, the safety trade system.com? Is this the name of your indicator right here? Maybe you don't have an updated version or something. H bar. No, I'm not calling H bar, Conrad. Good morning, Conrad Castro. What is the accuracy of a system? Well, I have it pulled up for you right now. I would say 100%, but whatever. Let's just say it's over 95% accurate. How about that? And by over, I mean 100. And if you don't believe me, I don't care. Just go to my YouTube channel and watch my last 5 YouTube videos. You'll see it. Look at this trade. No, it called it. This is US 30 Oanda. You put it on your 30-minute chart, please, Martar. And then there it is. It tracks every trade it's ever called, by the way, for those of you new. And if they were wins, it's green. If there was losses, it would be red. There's never a red. It's always a loss. There was 155 pip drawdown. So, for instance, that'd be $155 you would have lost on this trade initially, but then it turned and went up 451 so far and still growing, by the way. It's incredible. It's tracking it right now for you. So in other words, your ratio to win to loss on this actually was up over that 6. So your ratio would be 5-1, 4-1 right now, which is exceptionally good win max pips to max drawdown ratio. Exceptionally good. I don't have the updated version. You're correct. Aha. Thank you. How do I get updated version? Nothing you can do. We just share it with you. Mine is 424. So you wait, Martar. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Do you have this TSTS Hydra 7W30? It doesn't say anything for. Write down the exact name, Martar, in the exact first few letters. Write it down exactly as you see here. Write down your exact version you're using. Please. Please. The exact version you're using. We trade on all time frames. You're going to have a heart attack. Stick around, J3605, and good morning to you. We trade on 1 second. We trade up to 6 months. It doesn't matter. The system works on all time frames. It works on futures. It works on everything. You just do yourself a favor. Go over to YouTube channel. Go back and watch the last 3 or 4 videos. You'll see me do a 5-second buy stop on Bitcoin. You'll see me call out. Matter of fact, you'll see a call out right here that Bitcoin's going to 110, XLM's going 8 cents. XRP did everything we wanted to do. We've made nothing, but I've been trading for a lot of years. Just stick around, have some fun. Right now, we're trying to help one of our members, though. Aha. You hadn't installed the proper one, Martar. Ha. Yeah, it's there. All right. Damn, I don't know if I have any time to train. All right. So we're using the sniper rule. Holy shit. It goes down to the 1 second and it goes all the way up to the daily. Those are the time frames we trade. This system works on over 1,000 symbols that I'm aware of on TradingView. My system actually tracks every trade as it's called and is it made money or did it not. The last time I did a 3-month buy, it's still in October 9th, 2023. Time in the entry time, entry price, and it's up. Oh my God. It's up 11,000, 33,000. It's up 11,800 pips. It's up 11,800 pips. This 4,000 pips, 6,000 pips, 11,000 pips. 450 pips current trade, 11,000 pips on a trade. It tracks everything. Win or lose, it tracks it. There is no more guessing, did my system work or not? Here's the facts. I would cuss you out, but I won't. Morning, Stacy Ocho. Yeah, okay. I'm still here. Oh, okay. Where were we? All right, peeps. Now you're seeing the unleashed potential. I usually don't give you everything right here, but here you go. Ah, can I use it on Thinkorswim? You use it here on TradingView, and you can trade with any broker you want. I have a Thinkorswim account. I have a Uphold account. I have a public account. I have a Nadix account. I have a Eagle FX account. I have a any account broker you want to use it with, you can. Does it work on the one? Yes, it does work on the 1 minute. See these time frames up here? It might be hard to see, but it works on the 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15-hour, 4-hour daily. Also works on the weekly, monthly, blah, 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 6 monthly. Okay. Might have to come back to this video here. All right. So that is US 30. Let's see what it's calling out for NAS. My mother once October 24th. So here you go. This is crazy. Here's the trade. This is NAS. These are your call outs in the past that are now closed. It literally called a trade on September the 11th, Wednesday, the 24th at 18:30. The entry is here. It was a buy. There was a 30. So this isn't even 34 pips. This is 3 pip drawdown with a 3,000 pip win. So again, every one of you, especially the crazy psycho lady that was trolling, sending out email after email and couldn't stop. This is a 3 pip drawdown with a 3,000 pip win. This is a 138 pip drawdown with a 2,600 pip win. Are you kidding? This is a 144 pip drawdown with a 2,900 pip win. Are you kidding me? Look at what 40 pip drawdown. Still open trade, by the way, and still an open trade. From July 23rd, this is still an open buy stop. There is no more if or when my system works. My system works. Thank God for Keith. Thank God for Keith. Thank God for my programmer's Keith. He works for Disney, he used to work for NASA. Keith is an exceptionally good person, and he's an exceptionally good coder. He knows what the fuck he's doing. Now, this is, what's up, Moses? How do you trade it with the 1 minute chart? I can show you. I'll teach you. Currently, you're looking at 30-minute chart. But this has to be put away. Let me move this for a little bit. I'll show you a 1 minute trade. Somebody once told me, world's about to roll me. Ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. Let's see. Somebody's asking for a minute, so we're going to show them the 1 minute. And I'm pop this over here to the 30-minute, and we're going to pop this back over to here, and we're going to take this off over here. Yeah, don't worry. You guys are going to be seeing the fuck out of that from now on. There's no more play. I'm done holding doubters' hands and bullshitters' hands. Fuck you. The system is flawless. Here's a 1 minute chart. We're going to go over to 1 minute. Let's just take a look at like Bitcoin, because everybody loves Bitcoin. Everybody's heard of Bitcoin. Let's show you. We've been calling Bitcoin correctly for, I don't know, years and years and years and years and years. All right. Now, how do we trade? Look at this buy stop to the blue line. Woo! All right, this is Bitcoin. We're on Bitcoin 1 minute. I'll show you a past trade, then I'll show you a current. I'll just show you everything. If we have time, I have to go in about a half hour. We're looking at Bitcoin. That's an easy one, but let's just go right now. That's an easy one. All right, here. There's one. Let me spread this out a little bit. Let's zoom in a little bit. All right. We play. Oh, look at this shit. Wow, that's easy as crap. There's 3 of them in a row right here. We'll do this. All right. Let me focus you in on what you're looking at, okay? So what you're going to be looking at is, this is 1 minute chart. Each candle represents 1 minute, even though candles are bullshit and they're not really there. This is Bitcoin. Each one of these is a candle. In my system, I'm going to teach you how to trade now. Look at this. Look at this, will you? Nope, that's too tiny. How to, whoa, that didn't work. It's the only thing I don't like with this lettering in this particular one is it's too big or too small. How to trade 101. Red equals down. Green equals up. Okay. Now, I know that sounds complicated. I know that's hard, but this is all you need to know. Do you see? I'm going to cover this up for you too, so you guys don't get confused at this point. Do you see on my screen more green than red? And the answer obviously is fuck, hell yes, you do. You see 3 green lines. You see one red little histogram bars. You see green lines. You see green candles. You see green lines. So there's a lot more green and one tiny little red right here. This indicator is called the bullshit detector indicator because it detects the lies of the market. It's not really going to go down here. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to go ahead and focus you all the way in. I'm going to push this over here. I'm going to push this one over here. And all I want you guys to do, I'm not even going to show you any of this. All I want you guys to do is look inside of that space right here. Okay, let me show you. I want you to look inside of here and you see green, green, green. There's a red and a little yellow, then green, 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 green line, and then and then there's an orange and a yellow. So there's a lot more green than red. Green equals up, red equals down. Oh, trading can't be that simple, can't be that. Okay, hold on. Okay, so this is how you trade it on the 1 minute. Good morning, Guy Romero. Good morning, Larry. What's up, Larry? Good morning, Guy. Good morning, Moses, Stacy. Martar had the wrong thing installed. Good morning, Kevin. Go on the Discord and tell people what your problem was, Martar. Good morning, Kevin. What exchange can I use to make those trades from New York? You can use any exchange you want. I just went over this. I trade with fucking probably 20 different brokers. All right. I trade with Nadex. I trade with Eagle FX, Pepperstone. I trade with Hugo's Way. I trade with Thinkorswim. I trade with Tradeovite. I trade with, I'm sure I'm missing another half dozen. That's like 6 or 7 right there. You can use any, I use Uphold. I use Public. There's another one too. What's that other little app I used to use? Whatever one. Lately, I've been using Uphold for cryptos, by the way. But you can trade on any. You just put this on TradingView, and I'm teaching you how to trade a 1 minute trade, and this is Bitcoin. So what you look for is green, 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 red, green, green, and then you do a buy stop. A buy stop's nothing more than a pending order, or you can set an alert if you'd like, whatever you'd like to do on TradingView. But you're going to do an order when it comes back up to the market. So let me explain and show you what this means. Right inside of here, green, 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 red, green, green, right? So let's take a look at something here. Not the sharpest tool in the shed. Somebody once told me, I don't like my indicator word there, but we're going to have to move this in a second. Let me just set something up right here. It's not the sharpest tool in the shed. Not what I wanted. We're going to have to banner placement top. We can do it to the right. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Now back to what we were saying. All right. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. So what does this mean? We're going to pretend. No, you don't ignore the red. All right. Jason Lee and J36. This is for you guys. And Jimmy Rivers. Here we go. Jason Lee. Jason Lee is swimming in a pool. He's trying to dive down. He is trying to dive down to the bottom of the pool to get a dive stick. That is the red. Okay. Below Jason, we have 3 green lines. So below Jason, in our example of him trying to dive down, we have J36015 from TikTok pushing up. And then what do we have? The green line number 2, a real direction. That's Jimmy Rivera pushing up. And then we have a third green line right here pushing up. The green means up, remember? And that is Guy Romero. So we have 3 grown men pushing up, 1 grown man trying to dive down. Well, I don't know, whatever you guys are. 3 grown people pushing up, 1 grown person trying to dive down to the bottom of the pool. 3 are going up. 7s, if you guys get the analogy. And then I'm going to finish the analogy for you. So this is how easy my system is to work. It's being taught, and I'll show you that in a second too. So you have 3 real direction bars going up. You have J3105 going up. You have Jimmy Rivera going up. You have Guy Romero pushing up. They're all pushing up against Jason Lee, who's trying to go down to the bottom of the pool. above Jason Lee, who's trying to just mind his own damn business, swim in a pool, go to the bottom, pick up a quarter, pick up a die stick, pick up a penny. But no, he pissed people off. He has these two green lines right here. He has two of these. There's two more people pulling up on him. You have Tracy Ann Davis and you have Larry Cooper pulling up on him. Then you have a green EMA right here and you have green candles right here. So now you have, let's be clear, the real direction, green means up. We have 1, 2, 3 people pushing up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 more people pulling up. So if you think that Jason Lee can go down, you'd be 100% wrong, even if you thought he was Michael Phelps on steroids. Michael Phelps is the most famous decorated swimmer on earth. He couldn't dive to the bottom of the pool. He could not make it down. This trade could not go down, will not go down, has never gone down, and will never go down when this is the exact setup. It cannot go down. The swimmer cannot go to the bottom of the pool. I don't give two fucks, whatever. And it uses on a 1-minute chart. And you can clearly see the trade went up. And wait, you can clearly see the trade. That exact same setup was done here, here, and look at this one. The exact same setup done over and over again. When you see this exact same setup, it goes up and up and up. And there is no other direction for it to go. It can't possibly go down. You don't ignore the red. You laugh at the red because the red is bullshit. It's a lie. It's trying to tell you that the trade's going to go down. It cannot, will not go down. My real direction bars, all these other indicators are telling you up, and it goes up. Right? Jason Lee's just trying to swim here, mind his own damn business. But no, people are pissing, or he pissed them off. People are trying to pull him under. You got it right, Manny. Okay? So this is it. You got it right, man. So this is it. Now, I don't care if this is on a 1-minute Bitcoin. Let me show you. Let's show you the power. That's a 1-minute Bitcoin. Guess what else it forms on? Amazon's daily or anyone's. It doesn't matter. It works on 1 minute. It works on dailies. It doesn't matter what it's on. Look, here's the, same thing, just a little on the thing. This is an Amazon green, 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 red. It has a broken box, but it's still green, green, green with your lines. Up, Amazon went. This is Amazon daily. You know what else it works on? It doesn't just work on Amazon daily, and it can work on, I don't pick something. Works on gold. Oh my God. It works on gold so good that we never missed one trade. Never missed one trade on gold all last year. Not one trade from February on. Here it is. There's a setup right here. Look, here's a setup. Let me show you. This is your setup, the exact same setup. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, gold went up. Over, and matter of fact, it's doing it currently live right now as you speak. Here's your green, green, red pattern. Green, green, red, green, green, buy, stop, and went up. Green, 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 red, buy, stop. It's going up. Matter of factly, let's be clear on that. These are my current trades that I have open on US 30 and SPX and NAS. Let me be clear so you guys can see this. These are my trades that I have open right here. US 30, and this trade has been traded live since day one on 1/15, 3 days ago. This started. Has been traded live. This is my gold. This trade, if we're lucky, I can stay in this gold trade. If it doesn't pull back far enough to be specific, it's not lucky. If the trade doesn't pull back far enough to tap us out in profit, this trade I will hold for the next till June or July. These trades right here, US 30 can easily hit and probably will hit somewhere in the neighborhood of $200,000 on this trade. NAS, maybe not quite as much. Combined, we should get $500,000. Now, if I get super, if this thing goes where it should go, we'll end up with probably at least 500,000 each on one of these. So if I don't get to, I'm looking ahead, you guys don't know. Some of my members know where I'm at, but 99% of you don't know what I'm talking about. There's going to be a pullback. Pullback's going to tap me out or not. I'm willing to risk it though. And I just closed the trade down for 40,000 on that the other day. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Do you trade one? You want me to go down to 1 second? Let's go to 1 second XRP, shall we? Here you go. 1 second XRP. It's right here. That same exact setup. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. Well, it didn't go up that high. It's a 1 fucking second trade. People crack me up. Well, it didn't go up 3 million pips. It's a 1 second XRP trade. What else? Oh, I don't know. We closed out several trades yesterday. AIOs. I don't even know what these symbols are. AIOZ, some crypto, doubled my money on it. Had no clue what it was. I don't even think we have a 3-month. I can go to 15-minute chart. It doesn't matter the time frame. It doesn't matter the chart. It doesn't matter. All that matters is that, matter of fact, this shitty little one right here. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. It went up. Ding. There it is. That's AIOZ. I don't know what AI. I don't even know. I don't fucking care what it is. You want to know Doge? Let's go over to Doge. Let's try a 12-hour Doge. Nope. 7-hour. Nope. Let me see. Nope. 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 Let me go down. We're gonna have to go down kind of low to see it. There we go. It's forming. Buy stop Doge. It's forming right now. Watch this trade over the next hour. Buy stop Doge. Demo only. 0.40421. Take profit 1.41851. It will go there. It's the hourly. It's going to take several hours to get there, and that is Doge. You can trade anything at any time. Doesn't matter. You're welcome, Jimmy River. You got it, man. You're welcome. How about NQ? Just trying to swim here. NQ, yes. We've been NASDAQ is NQ. Okay, just so you're clear. It's also your E-minis. It's also your blah, blah, blah. It doesn't matter. Yes, NAS. We've been calling NAS for 3 years live. Go over to YouTube. I think, no, you're not on YouTube. Go over to my YouTube channel. I have over 800 videos here, 868 videos. Actually, I have 1,200 more than I'm posted. I have over 2,000 videos. 800 of them, which right here. Go back and watch the last several videos. You'll see so many correct calls, 5 seconds. You'll see NAS. Every day we trade NAS, US 30 and SPX. Into your clear. NAS and SPX are exactly the same. Let me show you what I mean so you're not mistaken. Your spies, see the call outs right here. These are all call outs right here. All correct call outs. Every one of those things came true, just so you're clear. I put down all out I make, I put in writing. By the way, so this is your NAS that you asked about right here. And this will be SPX. This is NAS. Look at this. Let me be clear what you're looking at. Look right in here to be exact. This is SPX 500 SPY. This is NQ NAS. SPX 500 daily. NAS daily. There is no difference between E-minis, NAS, SPX doesn't, they're always the exact same. Oh, what does it do here? It always does the same thing. There is no difference. They're the exact same charts. Again, pay attention to right in here, right here, right here. Oh, they're different symbols. They behave. No, they do not. They lie to you about everything else. They lied to you about, oh, this will piss everybody else off. Watch this. That's NAS. That's SPX. NAS, SPX. Look at this one. That's US 30. Does the exact same thing. It's just not quite as blatantly obvious. NAS, SPX. NAS, SPX. What else have they lied to you about? Good thing you asked. Let's go over it. By the way, my system's so easy to learn. Well, I shouldn't say that. It's being taught to children and grandchildren of LD that are 8 and 12. You go with the flow. He's teaching them this, and they understand it. So let's be clear. Now, let's go over to what else they're lying to you about. The old ways of trading fail over 99% of the time. Let me be clear. I believe that you have to ignore the entire trading industry, or at least 99.9% of it. Why? Because Fibonacci and Fibonacci retracement fail over 99% of the time. Ascending or descending wedges fail. Head and shoulders fail. Naming of candle and candles fail. Volume, VWAP fail. Y'all know, everyone here listening knows in their heart of hearts that RSI is my fucking ass and fails. Bollinger Band fails. That the lies of good earnings and stock goes up is a lie. The Fed cuts interest rates and stocks go up is a lie. News is a lie. Everything you've been taught about trading, here we go. Don't believe me? Less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. Don't believe that? That's a fact, by the way. It's a 14-year study. 85% of day traders quit within the first 3 years of trading. If 85% of us won 85% of our trades, we wouldn't quit. If the old ways of trading worked, none of us would ever quit trading. I almost quit trading, right? These are your studies. This is the actual studies. This is the actual referenced article sources for you. You can't argue the fact that 85% day traders fail. They do, and they quit. They do, and we've all been taught Fibonacci retracement, looking to the left, ascending deep. We all been taught that shit. Volume, VWAP, block trading. Doesn't work, doesn't fucking work, and doesn't fucking work. Am I clear that the old ways of trading lead to 85% of our group, our community quitting? This isn't right. Type out the word facts. The old ways of trading factually have failed us. And I'm not, who is that psycho woman? Let me be clear. I believe you have to ignore the entire trading industry. The entire trading industry, one fucking scam, and 99% of those traders you see fucking lose money. Am I fucking clear? Yes, I'm clear. Or write the word facts or write the word clear out. Go ahead. I'll wait. And I don't give to, Fibonacci works. Sometimes we all know you can make a successful trade or two, but damn it, you can never be consistent with any of that shit. You know you're going to end up with SI. It sucks. Bollinger Band sucks. And again, this isn't an optional opinion of me. If you don't believe those studies, understand for a fact that 85% of all day traders quit within the first. No shit, because none of the fucking crap works. That's why we quit. If that stuff worked, none of it quit. Of course it doesn't work. Only mentally challenged people would try to hold on to that. And if you think professional traders win, they win at a 64% win rate. If I had a 64% win rate on my lives, I wouldn't come on a fucking live. I'd be too embarrassed to show myself. 10 pips in a day, I just showed you fucking 5,000, 6,000 pip trades. Get out of here. Oh, he's yelling at us. Yeah, I'll leave if you don't like fucking passionate teaching. I care about each and every one of you, and I will do my damnedest to help you all succeed. If you don't like me cussing, leave. If you don't like being the harsh reality, the truth hitting your face, leave. I don't fucking need you here. I have a core group of people of about 500 members that I love. They love me. They love Bree. We help them out. They make money every month. It's crazy what successes that we have with this system. As far as new people go, I'm trying to reach you, but I am not a soft pansy teacher. I'm not going to coddle you. I'm not going to say everything's okay when you do a dumbass move. So what does work? Well, here you go. Here's the trade tracker I showed you earlier. What works? My system has a sniper in it. It's the most important indicator in history of the world. It's birthed from the Bach. I don't get into that. The sniper, weekly, 3 weekly, monthly, 3 monthly. When the sniper pink line is at it, and by the time it rises up, price action will be higher 100% of the time. Listen to what I told you. God gets all the glory. I take no. It's not right 90, 80, or 70% of the time, 100% of the time. Again, over 83 different symbols were checked live. 83 symbols, 100% of the time went up and made money. Is there a drawdown? Yeah. Is it a huge drawdown? Whatever. You're not. You don't have good control over your own account if you're trying to worry about SPX falling 50 pips. A $50 drawdown in your account, you should be embarrassed to call yourself a trader, and you're supposed to be demo trade only. I know a lot of you aren't going to understand. I know a lot of you are going to get upset. A lot of you are going to leave. I don't care. So if Jason Lee gets hurt or Jimmy, I'm not here to hold your hand. I'm here to make you turn you guys into successful traders. You want another more realistic? Here's something. Our system that I have created, right? Me and Bree, she's an integral part of this. Markle retired. Kimberly Harrington retired. Maria Toller's a stay-at-home mom making $300 to $500 a day. Mr. Gold, Gary retired. Big D retired. Adam S retired. Josh retired. We took people that were homeless. Billy took $50. He bought my system, didn't know he was homeless, living out of the car. He had to go in the back. Go YouTube Billy's story on the safety trade. Listen to it. He was homeless. He was living out of his car. He had to go to the library after hours and use the internet and the hours at a library because his friend in. He turned $50 into his own home. He turned $50 into his own computer and his own. Man, you guys think you have it rough? Fuck that shit. None of you. Sarah also was homeless. You need to listen go back to YouTube and watch my videos. My trading style is unlike anyone else's. I don't trade with maybe, could be, would be, should be's. I tell you exactly where things are going. I tell you where it's going to go up. I tell you where it's going to go up to. For instance, XRP. I literally forever have been calling out since 31 cents, then 46 cents. I've been calling XRP exactly to where it was going to go to, and it went there. XLM, here's a freebie for you guys. You still have plenty of time for XLM. I would get into XLM, demo only. Next, take profit one. Well, we already had take profit 1, 2, and 3 hit. XLM, next take profit, 0.62 cents. XLM, next take profit, 80 cents. And this is already written down. And if we go over here to XLM and we open it up, you're going to see writing. Okay. And when you see the writing right here, you're going to see where my call outs were, the date I wrote them out, where it's going to go, and all take profits hit. And this is XLM. What about Bitcoin? What about, oh, by the way, Ethereum too is a good one. One of my members, me and Larry, are playing Ethereum like a fiddle. There's Ethereum right here. These are all my call outs for Ethereum. Every one of those become accurate and true. Ethereum, buy stop until 4,000. Look at Ethereum. It already hit all these other previous buy stops. Let me see where Ethereum's at right this second. Well, was that? It went up to 3,800, looks like recently. So 3,800, where's my last call outs at? Profit 3,200. There you go. Take profit 1, Ethereum 3,200 hit. Take profit 2, 3,400 hit. Take profit 3, 3,500 hit. Take profit 4, 3,600 hit. Take profit 5, 3,700 hit. Take profit 6, 3,800 hit. Take profit 7, 3,900 will be hit. Take profit 8, 4,000 will be hit. Take profit 9, 5,000 probably will be hit. That one's a little bit more my opinion than the fact. We'll go back to this 4,100. Period. And that's Ethereum. It works on everything, all time frames. Trade anything you want. Oh, we had our first closed trade, the other finished trade. Was that Algo? No. Which one was that? No, Algo still has time. Which one was it? CRV, CLV? There's so many of these shit things we trade. I have no idea. Which one was that closed trade? I don't think it was Dot. No. Ooh, that's really nice. That one's finished. Deutsch. H bar. It was H bar. Hold on. Yeah, I had done H bar daily and I was thrilled with it. Yeah, H bar daily. I called out H bar before it happened. Doesn't matter with news or anything else. I told you I was within 2 cents of the take profit right here. Yep, this is your daily buy stop. It's perfection. Looks like it's a sell stop to the 15-minute blue line right now. But anyway, so there you go. Hit take profit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, says Larry. I love his story. Yep. Go Ethereum. Yep. Larry Cooper. Thank you, Larry H bar. So if there's any more questions, let me know. I'm going to go ahead and text. I have to go now, I think. Okay. So I don't know if Keithman went back to sleep. All right. Any questions on anything? The system is as flawless as you can get. Our interpretation of the system maybe have issues. And no, contrary to some silly ass person who thinks that she's important in this world, this troll lady, this douche of a thing. Absolutely. What is TikTok going to ban me now? What is TikTok going to ban me, TikTok, for saying cuss words? Oh, fuck out of here. There you go, TikTok. How about you get banned yourself? TikTok handed out too many bans. TikTok got what it deserves. As simple as that. I still like TikTok, but fuck their bans. Get the fuck out of here. All right. Any questions from anybody? I can answer some questions until Keith calls. Somebody once told me life is Look at that H bar. And I know Larry's told me that H bar is still going to go up, and I believe Larry. I understand what he's saying. I'm just not going to be a part of that going up. You can't be a greedy pig in this business. If I call out the max profit where I want to be, I'm taking my money and I moved it over to XLM. As simple as that. All right. Now, this is realistically how I'm going to trade from now on. You guys are going to see, you're going to see every time I call something, let me be clear. Every time I call something, you're going to see. So we're on H bar, right? This is H bar's 30-minute. This is what we're looking at. There is a 3-weekly buy stop on my birthday, October the 20th at 1300 at 521. There was a buy stop. This is your max profit you would have made off of that. This is all the other buys I ever called with my system, and they were all profitable. So now there will be no misunderstandings. Did this trade work? Did this not trade work? No, I'm getting off. No, I'm getting off now. No, 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 no. I'm done. All right. So that's it. I got to go. All right. God bless you all. I doubt I might be back on later, but I just wanted to get one more last live YouTube and tell YouTube, if you don't get banned and you come back on, fucking learn from this and quit banning fucking every fucking creator on fucking TikTok. Fuck you, TikTok. Quit banning us. That felt good. All right. YouTube, gotta run. Gotta run. How can I join your group? What's up, Jamie James? LLC. That's cool. Jamie James. How can you join my group? I don't have an open Discord. What I would do is go back to YouTube over here, watch the last 4 or 5 videos, understand what you're seeing. And when your mouth gets dropped off the floor and you can pick it up again and say, what the fuck did I just witness? When you can do that, then and you understand a little bit more of how my system works, then watch me trade live for like a week or two and make sure I'm making the right calls. And then when you see that, you can come over here and buy the system. You don't need to buy the system right away. Please don't. I don't want your money. I want you to learn how to trade and be a good trader. It's a safetytrade.com is where you go to buy it if you want. All right. God bless you. I don't know if I'll be on later. Maybe we'll see. God bless you all. Remember, life is short. Make great memories with the people you love, especially when you have a beautiful wife like me. All right. Love you all. Talk to you later. Bye. Yay. That went pretty good.